Good, I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my Amazon KDP tutorial for beginners. Selling ebooks on Amazon can be a great way to make passive income online. As you can see right here, I'm currently on the Amazon platform, and you can see that there are numerous ebooks that persons are selling daily, and they are making a good amount of money. And I will be showing you how to do this also for completely free. The two platforms that we will be using in this tutorial is canva.com, which you can sign up for completely free using your email address, and then the other platform that we'll be using is Amazon KDP. And Amazon KDP is the platform that we'll be using to upload our ebook. And again, you can sign up on this platform for completely free. So you're going to go onto kdp.amazon.com, and from there you could sign in using your Amazon account, as I'm going to assume that you already have an Amazon account. If you don't, you can create one for completely free. After you have created your account, I want you to go onto canva.com, and from Canva you're going to simply tap on the search bar right here, and from here you could type in ebook just for example's sake, then tap on enter. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. And these are simply layouts that you can use. After selecting one of these templates, you'll be able to edit it and customize it to your liking. So keep in mind that the templates that you see with Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But let's say, for example, we would like to use this one. All you'll need to do is select the template of your liking, then you're going to tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you'll be redirected to a new page, and you can see the template right here. So you can see it has the regular pages and it also has the table of contents. So now you're going to decide the type of ebook that you would like to create. And by the way, this is your ebook cover. So let's say, for example, we would like to change the ebook cover. All you'll need to do, for example, if you would like to change the text, you can simply select the text. So we could do that right here. So you could select the text, and let's say, for example, I would like to change the text to, for example, how to farm. So we could type that right here. So we could type in how to farm. After doing that, from there, if you would like to change anything else, you can do that. You can also change the name right here. So let's say, for example, I wanted to change the name. I could simply type in by simple answers. And this is how you'll quickly customize your ebook to your liking. You could also change the images if you want. So for example, I could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on elements, and I'm just going to type in man, but you could upload your own image right here. So we'll tap on see all, and then from there I'm just going to use one of these copyright free images. Let's say, for example, this one right here, and you can see right there I've now added an image. And you could also change the cover image right here if you want. After doing this, you're going to scroll down and you can continue editing each page. So for example, you could add the information that you would like to add in your ebook right in this section right here. And also, if you would like to zoom in further, all you'll need to do is pull on the cursor in the bottom right hand corner right here, and then from there you can see it even better. And again, all you'll need to do is select the text box, and from there you can type in or you could paste in whatever information you want. And to replace each image is quite easy, just like what I've shown you. All you'll need to do is select the image box, and then from there you can drag and place the image that you would like to add. Each section, it is quite easy to edit, and you'll simply go through and edit each section of the ebook. To save time, and I don't want to draw out this video too long, I will speed up it and I won't continue with showing you how to edit the ebook, as that is basically all the steps you will need. So once you're finished editing your ebook to your liking, all you'll need to do is tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you're going to tap on download. After selecting download, we are going to be downloading the book cover first. So all you'll need to do, you're going to tap right where you see all pages, and we are going to simply download the first book cover. So you'll select book page 1. Then you are going to tap on file type right here, and you are going to select JPG, and you are going to tap on download. After you have downloaded the book cover, as you can see right here, this is our book cover. The next thing I want you to do, you're going to go back and you're going to download the rest of the book. So you'll tap on share once more, tap on download. Then from there, you're going to select all pages and you're going to simply select from page 2 to page 9. So let's do that. Then we're going to tap on done and you're going to tap right where you see PNG. After selecting PNG right there, you could select PDF print, for example. Then from there, you're going to tap on download. After it has been downloaded, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go into amazonkdp.com. So you can see right here. Remember, I told you to create the account earlier. Once here, you're going to tap on create. After tapping on create, you'll be redirected to this page. And you can see that you're provided with 4 options. So you could choose to create a Kindle ebook, a paperback, or an hardcover book, or a series page. Since this tutorial is about creating ebooks, we'll tap on create ebook right here. Then from here, you could add your book title. So for example, remember that my book was about how to farm. So I'm going to type that in right there. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can continue filling in the information. So you could type in the author's name. So author name, simple answers. So let me type that in real quick. Then after doing that, you'll scroll down and you can fill in more information right here. This ebook is about how to farm. Then you can scroll down and do I own the publishing right? I'll say yes right there. And if your book has any sexual explicit images, you'll tap on yes, but since it don't, I'll select no right there. Then you're going to scroll down and you can select the marketplace that you would like to publish your book. So for example, let's say you would like to publish your book in Amazon UK or Amazon France. You can select any one of these options right here. But I would leave it on Amazon.com. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can tap on choose categories. Then you can select the category that you would like to place your ebook in. After doing that, you could also fill in keywords right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. After selecting save and continue, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you could tap on upload manuscript. After selecting upload manuscript, you're going to upload your ebook. So you can see right here, let me select the ebook real quick. So let me select our ebook. This is our ebook right here. And I'm going to tap on upload. Then I'll tap on continue. After it has been uploaded, we're going to upload the ebook cover. So to upload the ebook cover, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see upload a cover you have. So just give it a few seconds while the manuscript is being uploaded. You can see that it has been uploaded successfully. So we are going to tap on upload a cover, then tap on upload cover right here. And we're going to select the cover that we have. You can see right there. Then we'll tap on upload. You could tap right here, then tap on upload cover. And you could select the book cover and then tap on upload real quick. After it has been uploaded, all you'll need to do now, you could scroll down. And since this content has not been created by AI, we will simply tap on no right here. Then after doing that, you could tap on launch preview to see how it looks. but you would have to give it a few minutes, as you can see right there. And once you're finished, you'll simply tap on save and continue, and it will redirect you to the pricing page. And from there, you'll simply enter the price that you would like to sell it for, and so on to continue your upload. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.